Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back my another blog video. Today I come here to visit the new place. Look at the path, the main path in this village. And this village is other village, not my village. So I come here to visit this place in early morning. So my last video I told my next video taking the other place. So this I come here to taking this video. And I'm trying to provide and demonstrate the new place, and look at the view. Actually amazing, this view. A village morning doesn't try to impress you. It just reminds you how peaceful life can be when nature is close and the world is clean. This is the real beauty of village. Village life pure, fresh and full of peace. The morning air is clean, the world is quiet, and your mind is calm. This is the best time to focus on your health. Even a simple walk in the morning can improve your breathing, refresh your mind, and give you natural energy for the whole day. Your body wakes up. Your body is wake up. Your heart becomes stronger and you stay slowly. At least 1 kilometer. That is the most crucial for our health, because nowadays people are the oversleep. They are sleeping in the night, in late night, and wake up, and so must suggest everyone try to wake up early in the morning and visit this type of place, and visit and village, and just enjoy it and